Gold and silver traded with modest bearishness throughout the day. Rather, I can say metals traded in a range. And if you look at the levels what we had seen yesterday are still respected. So the movement is completely engulfed between the yesterday's level. Can we say this is consolidation? Can we expect a breakout here? The lows are done, or there is a possibility of a crash today. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and arrive at a level at which you can take a trade with logical reasoning and trade comfortably with profits. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Look at the hourly charts. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned there is a flat top with multiple strikes, multiple attempts to break past 2790-91 zone. Failing to do so, we have seen prices reversing here and prices reversing today as well. Now, today, what has happened? It has already achieved higher lows and now trying to recover from here. Now, only bullishness today, as I said, is above 2790. But since this is a far above level, you can in fact initiate a buying entry at 2786. However, this is going to be riskier as long as 2790-91 is not taken. Now, look at the moving averages. These have started to converge. This is a sign of slight bearishness, while the stochastic, which was trading bearish, is now looking upwards. And the MACD is still looking downwards. Again, it is a sign of bearishness. RSI is also cooled down sharply. Coming to 2-hour charts, see on the 2-hour charts, look at the formation. None of the candles so far has closed below 20 period moving average. This is an important observation here. See, if you look, this attempt where the price is moved toward 20 period, bounce back. Then the second attempt where the price is again moved towards 20 period, it has breached this, but failing to stay below, we have seen it bouncing back and a recovery seen here. Now, also notice this is trading in this bearish channel. It has to break beyond this and this, that is 2786 and 2790-91. Only and only if these two levels are taken, I will treat this as a reversal. Else, it is still right now, I can say, trading with a bearish bias. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying downwards, staying bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, what it did is beautifully kissed the 20 period and bouncing back here. But look at the formation, lower highs here, lower lows. So what it did, it has achieved lower lows first and trying to now hit lower highs, which means it can in fact stay within the zone here. And now 2785-86, if it breaks, we can see a modest recovery from there. Else, as long as it stays below 2785-86, we can say the next coming candle could be again a bearish one. And we have the data releases before the US session that should also add lot much to the volatility today. The stochastic has dropped here. See, the MACD has crossed over. This is crucial. The crossover in the MACD is a sign that there could be further bearishness today, and this is coming after retracement, lower highs, lower lows. So now the momentum could be to hit the lows of this channel, which are far below. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you will find the prices are still trading with divergence from the 20 period. Where are the 20 period moving and the moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands? Towards 2765 and 2768 zone. Now see what is happening. First of all, a flat top, a reversal sign, lower highs, lower lows. Now this candle might close here at this, or in fact, as long as it stays below 85-86 zone, we can expect a potential drop from here. Yes, it can show you swings hitting the highs. We can see it reversing, and then again on the downside, now 2774.75, 2768.70 and 64.65, three support levels which are going to play a major role today. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It is very, very important to have a safe broker and which takes away less fees in terms of spreads and and other charges. Thus, join the broker today and enjoy trading. Now, look at the daily. See, first of all, on the daily charts, higher lows are so far seen, but my eyes are on the double top which it has formed. Now, this is crucial. It has to now break beyond 27.90.91. If you see gold trading above 27.90.91, or in fact, let's add 10 more pips. If you see it is staying above 27.90.92.5, you can just stay bullish for 2798 and 2804 level. But if you look at the formation, you can find out, see, bullishness got diminished. It may deliver a bearish candle which can take away the gains from here. And also, if you notice, see, gold has been trading in this channel where the lows of the channel are now towards 2740. And yes, a divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge. The lows could be in fact at 2720 can be achieved. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. Looking very simple, buy at 2786, be careful at 2790, 92.5. Very good resistance there. Then 2798 and 2800, 04.5, 2806 levels will get achieved. Beyond this, sky is the limit. Stay bullish. We can in fact expect 27, 28, 12, 27, 28, 14 levels as the first target, and then 2820 can also be seen. Though in my expectation there has to be a retracement, but also you can see there are greater supports on the downside. Now, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2776 levels, below which you can expect 2770.72 as the first target. And if it breaks below 2770.72, then also 2767 and 64, very good support. Below this you can expect 2760, 54.50. Below 2750 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 2740 and then 2720 levels as the next target. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly chart. See, look at the formation. Look at this candle, and so far the complete movement is engulfed between this single candle. In 1 hour we have seen it slumping sharp from 34.20 to 33.40, and now the complete movement is engulfed between this. Thus, it is very important for silver to break below 33.40, which will be a confirmation of further drop. And right now I can see it taking a very good support. If you also look at the formation, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now, only and only if you see silver trading above 34 is where the bulls are waiting, and then it has to break 34.20.30 zone in order to confirm reversal. The stochastic at bottom here, the MACD has also seen a good drop. It could potentially converge crossover. RSI trying to show slight bullishness. When you see the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same. You can see lower highs, you can see lower lows. We have to wait for it to break out either which ways. The moving averages have crossed over here. This is a sign of bearishness, and this crossover is coming after a long time, you can say. With this, we have to wait for it to sustain a bit, but this is definitely a bearish sign. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is also bearish here. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is same. See, the current candle is trying to close in a doji, and when the next candle starts, and if you see it trading below 33.40, we can say the bearishness will prevail from there, and then we can look forward to a move towards 33.20, 33, 32.80, and then 32.50 levels are also possible. Stochastic looking down, MACD and RSI both are suggestive of slight bearishness. On the 4-hour, the observation here is same. We have to wait. See, it has seen stronger and long bearish streak here. Look at this formation, and now it has to give a breakout. We have to wait for a breakout here. Right now I can say good support levels coming in here, and it may try to stay in this retracement zone, and thus once it stays above 33.80, $34 levels, we can say that it is trying to reverse, and you can look forward to a stronger recovery from there. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is bearish, the RSI is also dropped here. Coming to daily, now look at the daily charts. I have mentioned earlier, if you connect the dots, you will find this bearish channel. And where are the lows? Towards 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 33, 32, 80 zone. What has happened today so far? We can see a bearish move here. It is on the verge of a breakout, and thus if you see it is staying below 33.40, you can expect more bearishness, and it has to break below 33.20. Then you can say definitely we are looking forward to a greater slide which can take it towards 33 and 32.80 levels, below which we can expect a stronger move towards 32.50, 40 levels. Be watchful of this. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD is willing. It is almost on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross happening after a long time. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, very simple, sell when you see the higher price Excluding the spreads below 33.40, you can take a selling entry expected to move towards 33.20, 33, 32.80, and then 32.50 levels will appear, which is going to remain the strongest support here. While on the upside, I will recommend a buy if you see it staying 33.80, 34 zone. You can in fact initiate a buy at 33.80 itself, but then 34 it needs to break. And once it stays above 34, we can expect a rise towards 34.20, 30, and then in fact 34.50, 60 should be seen. Beyond this, we are waiting for 34.85 and 35.10 levels, and it may break the record levels again. Not record levels, but near term highs again. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. And once again, wishing you all a very happy and prosperous festival of lights, Deepavali. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with more updates. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.